Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this cow planet brainrot animal. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the shape of the head. Let's draw a curve up and bring it back down. Now at the bottom, let's add a large oval across. And then underneath, let's draw two bumps up and in like this. Now we're going to hop inside and let's draw the face. On the left, let's draw a curve up and bring it down. And the same thing on the right side. Now for the eyes, let's hop in and let's draw a curve up and curve it around underneath. And then let's add a small circle inside near the top. And color both of the eyes in black. Now underneath the right eye, we're going to draw a wavy line across, like this. Now top down inside the oval, and let's draw a curve up and loop it around, and the same on the right side for the nostrils. And color them both in black. And that's it for the face. Now we're going to hop on top and draw the horns. On the top left, let's draw a curve up, and the same on the right side. Now from the end, let's curve it upwards. Then let's curve it back down and in. Now underneath each of the horns, we're going to draw the ears. Let's start with two small curves out on both sides. Then from the top, let's curve it out and curve it back in underneath. Now inside each of the ears, let's add another curve at the top. And add two lines next to it. Lastly, for the head, on the right here next to the eye, let's draw a line down and then curve it back in. And that's it for the head. Now let's start drawing the planet. Let's start under the head on the left, and let's draw a long curve across, bringing it out further on the right side. Now we're going to draw a circular curve behind the head. Let's start on the left and let's draw a curve up to the ear. Continue it on the other side. And then a large curve on top and down on the right side. Now top back down, and from the line we drew earlier, let's curve it out and back in on both sides. Now top up on the top left, and let's draw another large curve out, around, and back in. Now to finish off the planet, let's draw a curve underneath and back up. And that's it for the body. Now let's hop underneath and draw the legs and feet. Let's draw two lines down on the left side and two on the right. Now at the bottom, let's step up and we're going to draw a curve around, under, and back in on the other side. Now from both ends, let's bring it down and a curve across at the bottom. Now let's draw the feet, starting with the left one. Underneath on the right, let's bring it down and curve it in for the heel. And then a wavy line across. Now for the big toe, let's bring it out and curve it back up. And let's draw two curves inside at the top and close it off for the toenail. Now for the next toe, let's curve it out and back up. And then two more smaller ones. And then one more, bringing it all the way back up to close off the foot. Now inside these toes, for the toenails, we're going to draw a curve up and close it off at the bottom. And that's it for the left foot. Now let's move over and let's draw the right one. Let's start underneath on the left and let's draw an angle down. Then let's curve it down and back up for the big toe. Now inside for the toenail, let's draw a large curve up and a curve underneath. Now for the next toe, let's bring it down, over and up. And then three more, getting smaller as we go across. And then let's add a toenail inside in the same way. Now to finish off the foot, let's draw a curve out and up on the right here. And then one more, bringing it all the way back up to the ankle. And that's it for this brainrot animal. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!